In today's video, I'll show you how you can uninstall FXSound. So let's get started. So first of all is that you would want to make sure that FXSound is not running anymore. So you want to make sure that you close it by clicking here on this button. And now you can go into the taskbar and right click, go into Task Manager, because we would need to end the process of the FXSound in the background. So in here, you want to go here in the search bar, FXSound, to make sure it's not running in the background anymore. Right click and click on End Task. And now it's now ended. Now we can proceed into the search bar and type in Add or Remove Program, and then you should have this in the system settings. Click on that. Or alternatively, you can go into Windows settings, go into Apps, and then Installed Apps. And in here, you just need to search for the FXSound right here. So I'm gonna type it in right here in the search bar, and we should have it right here. Now you're gonna click on Uninstall, and click on Uninstall. And just wait for it, and it will now be uninstalled. And that's how you can uninstall FXSound.